Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This Cuda is BS, but that's a good thing because BS is in the VIN number, which means it's a real Cuda, not a Barracuda. This car is done from top to bottom. It's painted blue underneath. It's a 340 with a pistol grip 4-speed. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll read all the specs. You can study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this car, but we have a few hundred cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the videos as they come out. Right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. I sold this car to a collector a few years ago, and I just bought it back from him along with his 72 Duster. We just bought the pair of cars. This thing's in excellent shape. The body is outstanding. Fit and finish has become real important to me. That's what I've been looking for when I buy cars. All the panels are square and flush. The door fits beautifully. The door's shut like a new car. I just love that. It's slick, and this paint job's at least 4 or 5 years old. There's no cracking, blistering, no shrinkage. It's smooth right down to the very bottom. It's smooth. And yeah, the door fits even along the bottom. It fits real nice and smooth. The trunk is square and flush. It's got the rear spoiler. This car's got a look. The Cuda has the blacked out tail panel. The lights look new. The bumper's rechromed. Has those big rectangle exhaust tips coming right through the valance. Rear windows crystal clear. All the stainless moldings everywhere. They're probably new, but they're all straight and shiny. Door handles aren't brand new. Actually, the other side had a little pitting. That one looks real nice. But looking inside here, it's got 6x9 speakers. The shelf is real nice. Got the stripe on the side in excellent shape. Sport mirrors. Vinyl top is mint. New windshield. Correct antenna. 15-inch rally wheels with BF Goodrich tires. Of course, the Cuda has the dual scooped hood. Check out that grill. This grill is restored like new. I love the red accents. The little bit of trim is real shiny. Bumper looks like it's nice and bright. We will start it up in a minute. This one sounds good too. So the whole engine bay is all clean metal, nice factory seams and spot welds, and fits nice. And it's all painted gloss blue. It's got a performance-built 340 motor. It's got a comp cam, a big aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke. It's got a billet distributor. So everything in here is real nice. The interior is excellent. Carpets are fresh. The Cuda embroidered floor mats. But look at the door panels, the rear panels. It's all mint. The reproduction door panels are flimsy. They're not the same. These look like the originals. They're not scratched. They're not brittle. They're in excellent shape. Inside the trunk's real nice. All clean, solid metal. It's all painted blue. Even in the trunk, it's all blue. The mat's real nice. It has a rally wheel for a spare. The jack assembly's there. It's all bolted down. The original AM radio is in here because there's a stereo in the car. Weather strip is soft. So real nice and a complete trunk. So of course the upholstery's redone, but all the trim, the plastic, the kick panels, the console, they must have repainted all that. It's mint. All the wood grain on the console, the instrument panels, mint. The lenses, the heater controls, the steering wheel, it's all mint. These dash pads, they always split and crack. This one's in excellent shape. I think it's the original one. It has just enough fading or patina. It's not brand new. I think it's the original, and it's excellent. It does feature power steering and power disc brakes. The fender tag is here. Also, the VIN number of the car is stamped here and on the cowl and on the tag and on the dash. They all match each other. As the Mopar radiator with the shroud, the fan looks new. It's an aluminum water pump. All the components on the firewall look real nice. Alternator looks new. It's got the rubber seal. It's got the plastic vents in there. It's got seat belts front and back, pistol grip 4-speed. Underneath the car, looks like it's all clean original metal that they painted blue. I don't see patches or anything. Really nice underneath the car. Looking up at the motor, it's still clean. The trans, the 4-speed's still clean. It's a 323 Sure Grip in the back. Like I said earlier, disc brakes up front. Rally gauges, modern stereo. Let me fire it up for you. Just a nice car everywhere. The door jambs, the sill plates, the seat belts, it's just nice everywhere. Headliner is tight as a drum, nice blue. The mirror is real nice. Got a great sound. Nice idle. Sounds like popcorn being made. Doors shut nice. That sounds nice. I like the idle. I like the way it revs up. It's just a hot car. Front to back, this thing is just pure hotness. So go to volocars.com before someone beats you to it. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They'll answer any questions or concerns about the car, the process, financing, delivery. We can help with all of that. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell notification, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.